it's a roadblock day. Good morning, good afternoon, good day, whatever time you see the vlog, guys. So, up on the road to deal with some bills and deal with some business. So, oh yeah, and graduation Friday, so I'm gonna try to get her slippers. Yeah, I need that and a couple beauty products. I need to get those for work. So guys, I already feel tired. It's just 8 o'clock. Try to go out there early. Might try to beat the every sun because we can't deal with it, but hopefully can reach back early enough, guys. So let's see how it took up on the road today with me. Alright. Guys, well, it is 2:10 now. Been to what 5 different stops. Man, search now for your shoes. For your graduation. I find none yet. Hopefully soon. Cause I forget to stop at the bank and it's always full. So and it look like it's like a rain. It kinda bleak, you know. Hope the sun not come out because can't deal with the sun more. Oh, great.
Hi, morning. Why do you want a video call tonight?
Store. Me a book. Oh, Lord. I'm looking. No, nothing too high. Food can't deal with the ear. I'm actually trying. Let me see. I know. Alright. Let me see if it's a good fit. You say it can buckle? It's not buckle. I don't know. I can't take a bigger size. No. You see one here, son? Yeah. Well, if I loop the around this, so. I know this is the one that I love. Because it's not too high.
No, and it's just the right
size. But I don't know why. It's not lock.
That feel tight?
I don't know what that's. What. I see my other end, so I'm like this with the strap. Actually, I can manage this.
I wonder if no bore it right as a, like when me dry, so it feel tight around your
No man, it does feel alright.
I wonder if me make him bore it. I'm obviously not to bore it up.
Can bore it, yeah, because I don't know why.
Alright, me I make him bore it.
Nah.
I not understand.
I'm like run it like a little tight, but it's nice. It's good. Don't know. I'm seeing the other end, so I'm like, I don't know if my ankle too fat. There. I don't know. what's going.
Let's see if we have this chocolate.
Okay guys, I get the shoes. Hopefully my foot not swell. I get the shoes. That's the only one so I really love. Hopefully everything work out today. I have at least 3 more stops. 3 more stops. Here. Nothing today. Guys, almost 3 o'clock. I'm just leave the bank and Tati come and sit at the bank from after 11 with me. It's crazy. I'm still never get through. I just feel disgusted and just KFC, Tati and I got KFC.
Yeah, with your money.
With my money. Your money, you can buy a piece of chicken. Buy a piece of chicken, na girl? What she means, sir? You can buy a piece of chicken. Yeah. Disclosure. Sorry. But Tati then. Tati. Let me see that. No, that one there. So, if you see the something there, funny. No, yeah. We have a disclosure and this. At 21,000 for this. How much is the price on this? Okay, something to eat. Can go and cook it too late and like KFC. In a taxi. Hey, just come out of KFC in the about half an hour. Yeah, but half an hour spend in a KFC. Just get through. Heading home, guys. I know the vlog. Pizza. You're tired. Because you have to come wait for me from after 11. Vlog pizza, but I hope you enjoyed anyway. Alright. So I'm going to end the vlog right here. So, catch you. Bye.